This is our data, and we want to format it. As you can see, this is the heading. Maybe we want to make it bold. We want to change the color. We want to apply background color, and so on and so forth. To format our data, for example, we want to bold the heading. Select the heading, click on bold here. If you want to apply italic, this is italic. This is underline. You can make it bigger. This is the size, 14. You can change the font to another font. Let's say we have Arial. Then if you want to change the color, this is the color, and we can leave it like that. And if you want to change the background, this is for the background. Say something like this. Let me take back something like this. Under the alignment, this is center. You can say center. This is aligned to the right. And this is aligned left. Aside that, we can wrap the text, we can merge and center. Now, this wrap text, as you can see, you see that some words are not fit into that cell. So we can apply wrap text so that it will cut it. It will bring the remaining part of the text to the next line. So and so on. So we can also adjust the size here, the column width, and so on and so forth like that. You can bring this one up. And bring it up like this. So this thing, we can also apply this align. We can take it to the middle. Then we have merge and center. Merge and center, let's say we want to write gender. And the gender consists of, let's say, male and female. And we want to enter data here, 10, 15. So 156. You see that this gender is supposed to cover these two headings. So in order to make it cover the two headings, we have to merge these two cells together. So you align the two cells and you merge and center. So to take it to the middle. So you can now change the alignment of the whole data by putting it at the center here like this. The same thing if you have qualification. So this qualification should cover all this heading. Aside that, we also have numbers. We have number in our data, 12, 45, 19. So this number, we can format it by a font. So this one, let's apply comma. You can see when you add comma, it will also add decimal point. We can remove the decimal point. We have, this is increased decimal point, this is decreased decimal point. So you decrease. And if you want to add the decimal point, you add. The same thing can be applied to this 12. You can add decimal point. That is increased decimal point. So we can, this is common. This is, you want it to be in currency format. That is a currency format. So we have added a currency. Then we can, let's say this 45, I want to change to percentage. We have other formats that we can apply. This is date. This is time, this is fraction, and so on and so forth.